देखो इसमें क्या होगा, हमें ओपैम बना होता है साइन चाहिए, राइट। -2 -6 डायरेक्ट इन्वर्टिंग समिंग एम्पलीफायर बन जाता, बट इन दिस केस वी हैव पॉजिटिव साइन. Now we need to convert this positive. How we can write it down? Like, can we write it like this? Minus, right? Now, where can we assume that it as Vx like 1 and minus? Let us assume. Have considered this x is right. Can we assume like this? So now we need opamp of first. हम किसका opamp बनाएंगे? So as you can see that here in the x and v minus plus, as we can see that there is a sum of inverting, right? If there is a single voltage, then in that case inverting amplifier, correct. Here they have provided v and v, so it would, and v here the resistance is 10/6 RF they have, and that is 10 kilo ohm, right? That would be 10/6, and the resistance that is R3 10 by, and RF is same case, that is 10 kilo. Okay, now if we'll consider the output will be x आएगी, right? Here now we got Vx, but we don't want Vx, we want the V, because they ask us the op-amp structure for V naught. So now Vx is there again, putting have the two positive terminal is always grounded, and here two voltages is connected, one is 1 and one is, right. Can connect this Vx over here, so this is 1, the resistance is 10/2, write down 10/2. Here iska coefficient is 1, right? You can write it over as 10/1, 10 kilo ohm, and the output is okay. So this is the final structure, final op-amp diagram. Or got it? RR stands for the common mode rejection ratio. It is basically a ability of the op-amp in which common signals are cancelled. Basically, it is a measure of the ability of op-amp to reject the signal that is both the input terminal. Okay, so जो are common to both the terminal, that they are and they want to enter in positive terminal, means those signal are common. So common mode ratio reject those are common to both the input terminal, and generally those signals are noise. Noise will be the common signal to enter in terminal and positive. ठीक है, नॉइस के थ्रू क्या होता है कि नॉइस दोनों कॉमन होती है, क्या हो जाती है, रिजेक्ट हो जाती है. ओके, तो CMRR का फॉर्मूला we have, that is A divided by AC. What is over here? The real. Okay, A stands for gain. Gain क्या होता है अब? Gain is basically the output divided by input. Gain कह रही हूँ तो output voltage divided by the input. It can be the output current divided by the input current. Okay, clear? So what is ACM? ACM is the common mode gain. A stands for gain and CM stands for common. ACM is the common mode. Okay. Now we'll have CMRR. Agar if you want to calculate CMRR in decibel unit होता है, it is unitless because it is gain by gain. तो gain by gain से क्या हो जाएगा, कट जाएगा. And if you want to calculate CMRR in decibels, then for that is 20 log base 10 by AC. Okay, write down this formula for the CMRR